By the end of this video, you will be able to create this amazing and beautiful course selling website or LMS website. In this website, you will display your courses and we will integrate payment methods and multiple things. It will contain a separate courses page where all your courses will be displayed, an individual page for each course where you can display your course information, instructor information, pricing tables, number of chapters and lectures. If I click on this lecture and mark it complete, so I marked it complete but nothing happened. This is because I am viewing it as an admin, so I'll view as an student. And if I mark complete it now, you can see a notification appears where it said that you completed a lesson. If you go to the pricing table, scroll down and click on enroll, it will take you to the checkout page. Here you can add your details and then click on buy now. For now this website is linked to offline payment, and I'll teach you how to do that. It says that the payment is pending. So what it means is that the admin will share the details with you and you will pay him separately through local bank or through your mobile, but not through the website. Once the admin receives the transaction amount, he will go to the dashboard of the website, go to order section, edit the order with pending payment and approve your payment. Means now your order is approved. After approval, if I go to the website front end, see, I received the course enrollment notification. Now I will go to courses. Sorry, my courses. See, I am enrolled to these two courses that I enrolled previously. This website also features membership. Memberships means bundle of courses. When you buy a when you buy a bundle of courses, you get a discount. If I go to my courses, I can see that I have two courses, 3D modeling and app development. Now I will go back to membership and select this one, which includes graphic designing and UI and UX designing. So I will enroll to this course, the professional plan, $106, and enroll it now. It will take me to the checkout page, and if I click on buy now, it again go to pending payment and see, I received the notification that the payment is pending. I'll approve it as an admin. So I go to edit and change it to complete, update order. And if I go to the website front end, go to my courses. See, I now have four courses, the membership courses and the courses that I bought previously. It also contains a blog section or a blog page where all your blogs are displayed. This is everything that we will learn in this website. And to your knowledge, this website is created with Lifter LMS plugin.